is still serving at Kirtland. He's also been assigned to the attack laser and has come to watch as the first lethal laser is fired up.
No, this is actually the first laser module that will be placed in the aircraft. This is where the beam is produced. This is a real working laser, not a laboratory experiment.
The exact wattage of this laser is classified, but it's many times more powerful than the first airborne laser.
It's like comparing a Volkswagen to a Porsche Carrera.
But like its predecessor, the attack laser generates a death ray from a violent chemical reaction. Excited oxygen atoms are extracted from reacting hydrogen peroxide and chlorine. These are then pumped into iodine gas to generate a massive burst of energy, which the iodine atoms release as a scorching beam of laser light. The chemistry is so volatile that during this ground-based test firing, all personnel are evacuated from the area. The scientists know how the gases should react in theory, but in practice, they're very cautious.
In the right condition, all personnel not associated with this test must clear the tester at this time.
Be advised that fire and safety is beginning a sweep for all unauthorized personnel in the test stand before we enter a red condition.
If the explosive chemistry can be brought under control, 14 of these 1.5-ton lasers will be crammed into each aircraft. The attack laser will not be the nimble fighter Don Lamberson once dreamed of. It will be a Boeing 747-400, one of the largest aircraft in the world. The U.S. Air Force has ordered a fleet of 7 attack lasers.
We're on schedule. Everything's going on track. We're meeting our technical milestones as they come along, and we just think everything's on schedule at the moment. We're on schedule. Everything's going on track. We're meeting our technical milestones as they come along, and we just think everything's on schedule at the moment.
We feel we're done with the physics issues. The laser works. The atmospheric compensation works. We can actively track boosters. Now the issue is the integration, or putting it all together on an airplane.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have a sequence start. The wheel's deflated.
This is the stage Kirtland reached in the 70s with the Airborne Laser Lab. Back then, the engineers were also optimistic, but that experiment ran into problems.